Okay, folks, it's Monday. We're jumping into Unit 6, Handout 1. This packet I've emailed out. It's in the folder. It's at school, so hopefully you have it. There's a lot of vocabulary that I need to go over with you today, and we're going to attack the first two lessons, and then Wednesday we'll figure out what we're going to get into. But anyway, let's go. Anyway, so list the locations of the objects. On the vertical number line, 9 on the vertical number line looks to be, what is that? Cat food? I'm not sure. Let me look and see what that is. Yeah, it is cat food. Uh, uh-huh. 5 on the horizontal line is a fish, right? Just basic fundamental stuff. We always start early. What's the bunny wrapping on? Well, it's 8. It's 8 on the and I'm going to abbreviate that, horizontal number line. Fish food. All right. When I look for the fish food, well, it's number one on the vertical. All right, line. All right. Next one on the horizontal line. Well, one on the horizontal line is simply just a cat, and then finally a carrot. The carrot is, what's that to be? 5 on the vertical line. Yeah, 5 on the vertical line. So just horizontal, vertical, right? Just to kind of get an idea there. All right, so let's continue on. The coordinate planes extends 2 perpendicular number lines, right? Number lines. They intersect at a point called the origin, O-R-I-G, which is located at 0, 0. Now, when we write an ordered pair, we always separate them with a comma, and they're always in parentheses. So the point of origin, ordered pair, is 0 and 0. All right. And let me bring this up just a little bit for you there. Make sure that you can see, and I think you can, so we're in good shape. Let's go. An ordered pair describes an exact location. Okay, location on the coordinate plane. The x-coordinate is the first, right? It's the first number in the ordered pair, and it indicates movement parallel to the, parallel to the x-axis, and we'll talk about all this in just a minute, or horizontally. All right, the y-coordinate, is the second number in the ordered pair, and it indicates movement parallel to the y-axis, or vertically. All right. When graphing ordered pairs, you always begin at the origin. So remember, first number left and right, second number up and down. Okay. So let's talk about this just for a second. The ordered pair of 8, 4 means that to plot the point, you begin at the origin, right? Or 0, 0, that's the origin. And then you move 8 units, right, to the right. And then you go 4 units up. You begin at the origin and travel 5 units to the right, and then vertically 3 units. You will be at what ordered pair? So 5, 3. So if we were to write that, it would be 5, 3. 5 to the right, 3 up. Now, when we talk about the coordinate plane, we can have negative numbers here. So really, that first number will take you left and right, and that second number can take you up and down as we work through this. Let's go ahead and flip the page and take a look at this. Okay. Now, on this next page, you're going to see that we have a coordinate plane, and this is actually just the first quadrant. There's actually 4 quadrants here, and I hope my pencil just didn't break. Do you see that thing fall apart? So 1 second here. Let me see if I got any lead left in it or not. I don't know. But anyway, so we're just dealing right now with the first quadrant. Use a quadrant 1 of the coordinate plane to determine the location for each of the shapes below. Okay, so where's the circle? The circle's there, so it's going to be 2, 8. And look how I wrote that. The next one is the triangle. So again, here's the triangle. So I go over to 16 and up to 10. So the ordered pair is 16 and 10. Square. What do we have square? Well, the square is a unique thing because it's right on the x-axis. Remember, this is x and this is y, right? So it's right on the x-axis. So it's actually what? 18, 0, right? 18, 0. We didn't go anywhere up and down. It's right there. The next one is the hexagon. Well, hexagon is a 6-sided figure, and I believe that's right there. So the hexagon, all right, is 10, 6, 10, 6, right? Pentagon's a 5-sided figure, 5 sides. So right there's the pentagon, 6, 18. Trapezoid. Trapezoid has exactly 1 set of parallel sides, and there it is right there. So if I go over 20 and up 8, so the ordered pair is 28. Rhombus. Rhombus is a fancy name for a diamond. So right there it is. I went nowhere left and right. So the first coordinate is 0, and the second one is 14. 14, right? Okay. So we're going to finish up. I'm not really going to do this last part, so we can kind of X that off. I'll bring that up, make sure that you can see, and you can, and you're in good shape here. All right. Locate and draw the following objects in the correct location of the coordinate plane. All right, so here we go. First off, circle, 5, 0. Well, look at our intervals, okay? The interval is 2, so I got to be careful with this. I'm on an odd number, so 5, 0 would put me right there. And I'm just going to call that letter C for circle. The next one is 6 and 6. So I go over 6 and up 6, put a plot, and I'm going to call that point T for triangle. Square will be S, is 15, in between 14 and 16, and up 5. Right, so it's going to be right in there, kind of in no man's land, isn't it? And we'll call that point S. If you want to draw a square, go ahead. Hexagons 1 and 9, over 1, up 9. Put us about right there. We'll call that point H. Okay. The pentagon is 3, 7, 3, 7. So I go over 3 and up 7, and it's right there, and it's point P. Trapezoid. All right. And we're going to call this Z because I already have a T, but it's going to be 15, 17. So I go over 15 and up 17, and there's right in there should be it, right? So I put a plot, and I'm going to again call that Z for trapezoid. Last one is 0, 20. 0, I don't go anywhere left and right. I just go up to 20, put a plot, and I'm going to call that plot R for rhombus. So just some basics of the coordinate plane, not too bad today. Have a good day.